In a world where voices were silenced and truth was filtered, a new guardian rises from the shadows to protect freedom, privacy, and connection for all. Together with visionary CEO Vitalik, Shadow builds a new kind of network, one that cannot be censored, silenced, or stopped. On 28th of October, powered by SGMA, the heartbeat of decentralized communication. From the shadows, freedom is reborn. SGMA, protecting the people, powering the future.